Namaste everyone, welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and you're watching 10 days systematic pranayama practice. So let's begin. Again, sitting in any comfortable position. You may choose to sit in a yogic position like Vajrasana, Lotus or Sukhasana. For a few moments, become aware of your breath. Simply become aware the ingoing and outgoing process of breathing. And see where the breathing is happening, whether it's in your abdomen or in your chest. Eventually, we want our breathing to be happening in the abdomen. Now let's begin with one abdominal breathing, where you're going to take your right hand onto your abdomen. And as you breathe in, your stomach will come up, hand moves out. When you breathe out, stomach goes down, hand moves in. Continue the same process of breathing in and out through your abdomen. Again, if this is not easy, go ahead, lie down and do exactly the same process in the lying down position. Breathe in very slowly and deeply. Breathe out fully and completely. Slowly, gently breathe in. And very slowly breathe out. Breathe in. And gently breathe out. Breathe in. And very slowly breathe out. You want to do these 10 to 15 rounds. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Again, we are breathing in 4 seconds, then we are breathing out for 6 or 8 seconds. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Let go for a moment and simply do the exercise of the breathing. You can keep your eyes closed and just let go of all the worries. And don't worry, whatever you're doing it correct. And if you're not doing it correct, you're gonna do correct soon. The more you practice, the more your muscles understand, and the more better practice it's gonna be. Fast breathing in and breathe out. Let go of the hand. Sit there quietly for a while and preparing for full yogic breathing. Completely let go. As you really go into this breathing process, you may find yourself coming into relaxation, calmness, and peacefulness comes. Fully heavy breathing. Bring your one hand on your abdomen, one hand on your chest. Breathe in through your abdomen. Continue breathing in through the chest. Breathe out through your chest. Continue breathing out through your abdomen. Breathe in the same pattern. Breathe out, chest, abdomen. Breathe in, abdomen, chest. Breathe out, chest, abdomen. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slow breathe in. Complete breathe out. Slow deep breathe in. Completely breathe out. Bring your hand back onto your knees. Rest for a few seconds. Preparing for Kapalbhati. Breathe into your abdomen. Breathe out. Gently breathe in. Completely breathe out. Now fully breathe in and begin the 30 pumping of Kapalbhati. Exhale, very gently inhale, and with exhalation, release and relax. Let go for a moment. Second round of Kapalbhati. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Now breathe in fully, completely, and begin. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Relax for a few seconds. Third round of Kapalbhati. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now breathe in fully, completely, and begin. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. And relax for a few seconds. Gently open your eyes. So today we are going to do an extra pranayama, which is called alternative breathing, and we will start with the single nostril breathing. So you're going to breathe, you're going to close your right nostril, breathe in left, and then breathe out left, and breathe in left, and breathe out left. Again, the ratio is the same. If 4 in, then 6 or 8 out. That means if you're breathing in for 4 seconds, then you're breathing out for 6 or 8 seconds. After 10 rounds of breathe in and out, we will change to other side and repeat the same on the other side. So let's go ahead, do it. 1, breathe into your abdomen. Breathe out. Breathe in and completely breathe out. Close your right nostril. Breathe in left. Breathe out left. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in. 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 Breathe out. Change the nostril. Breathe in right. Breathe out right. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. And breathe out. Drop your hand down. Keep your eyes closed. Sit quietly for a while. Become aware of the movements of prana, the vital energy in your body. How the energy begins to move. And how this movement of energy, the prana, helps your mind and body to be relaxed. Come into easiness, peacefulness comes. I hope you're practicing with me. And again, practice each day that I'm teaching. You should practice at least for 1 week the same practice. And after that, you go into the next day. So although I'm doing this 10 days, as I said earlier also, that this practice is if you have done already. If you have not done, then I would advise you that each day you follow for at least 1 week and then use my next day for the next week. If you have any query or any question, then please go ahead and comment on the comment section and I will come back with the answer. So thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit. Namaste.